Hello, thank you for watching this. We're gonna be looking today at indoor LED lights made by Good Lumens. So this video is just basically to let you know when you buy this what you get inside the box. Here are the dimensions, which are 15 inches by 9.75. 24 watts, but it's pretty bright, 1255 lumens. So let's take a look at what you get. Let's take a look at it. It's brushed nickel, clear diamond pattern glass. So first, you'll see what's included. Parts included. There it is. So you get everything that you need to install it. Here's the instructions. Good lumens. The tools you need to install. You gotta assemble it. So it tells you step by step, which is looks like it's very good and detailed. It's in Spanish as well. So here's the first thing you'll need. It's nicely packaged. It has a very nice finish, smooth. Let's put this on the side. So there it is. It looks nice. So the LEDs are included. As you can see, they're in here. They look like they're sealed. So you can, it's kind of hard to move around, but as you can see, I managed to put them where I probably would want them to be. So here's the power cable. And here's the hardware. This is what you'll need to install it on the ceiling. And you'll need this. There's two of these. Wire. So you can tie your wires. And you got two of these smaller ones. So I'll probably just show you how to put it together, but it's pretty easy. Alright, so you have this, which is nice and heavy, so it's glass. It has a really nice cut, diamond cut, nice and clean. And you have three of these, of course. And that's all you need basically. So what you do is take this apart. Just unscrew it by hand. Wrong way, I guess. Oh, so I guess you gotta unscrew the diffusion shell, which is right on top of the LED. So we need some tools. So I got a screwdriver. Oh, it's easy to unscrew. Oh look, you can see the LED here. So now you're able to put this in there. So then you hand tight this. Don't use a tool because you might break the glass. And you gotta put this here and screw it back on. Kind of weird, but alright. Once you do that on all three, your wire will have to go through here, this piece. Once it goes through, just screw the bottom. So now you have assembled your light. So now when you have this done, it's just a little bit easier just to take off the lamp from your fixture, the old one. Put this up there. You have the screws. These two screws to put it up there. Depending on where your light fixture is, just screw these up there on your ceiling. You'll take these two, take them apart, and this will have to go here. So all you have to do is tie it by hand, the bottom, and that's it. Done.